Are you ready to have some fun with the freeze dryer today? Because I am, and I've got a fun new candy to try out in our freeze dryer. Freeze-dried candy is getting more and more popular, and it is so fun to try out new things and see how the candies turn out. Here is what I am freezing today, the ever popular and amazing caramel apple pops. I keep getting asked by my friends if I have tried freeze drying these caramel apple pops yet, and I have not. So today is the day, and we're gonna find out together how these turn out. I'm gonna show you everything you need to know to learn how to freeze dry any candy, especially these caramel apple pops. When I make candy in the freeze dryer, I always use candy mode, and I will show you the settings on how to set it all up. So we're gonna go into customize and increase our dry temperature. I usually just go to 145 degrees. I like my dry time to be 4 hours. My candy usually always turns out good at 4 hours. The top two settings you can ignore because when you're in candy mode, it does not do any freezing. It goes straight to the drying. So we're just gonna hit save, start, and we will wait the 15-minute cool down. I'm hoping these turn out amazing. I've seen them done online before and they like puff up and look delicious. So hoping these turn out for us today. This is gonna be fun. Let's get the candies onto our trays. Okay, I fit the full amount of suckers that were in the bag on my trays and had extra room, so I threw on some Skittles and some Spree candy because I'm not gonna let real estate go to waste over here. But this is almost ready to go into our freeze dryer. We got a few more minutes before we can load them up. I just hit 1,500 subscribers here on YouTube, and I just want to thank you all so much for subscribing and supporting me on this channel. I have been having a blast and love making these videos. When I hit 2,000 subscribers, I want to do another giveaway for you guys. That always will include freeze-dried candy and then some Alaskan fun goodies, because who doesn't love Alaska swag? I love it. To make sure you know when that giveaway is gonna happen, make sure you're subscribing, and that'll help me get to my 2,000 subscribers faster. So another reason to subscribe. Thanks so much. Let's get going. We're gonna make sure our candy process is turned on. I'm gonna hit continue. I'm gonna skip warming the trays and just go straight to freeze drying. I think it is time for Brooke's Trivia Corner. Today's question of the day is, what is the state sport of Alaska? If you know the answer, leave it in the comments below. I will give you the answer at the end of the video. You also will want to stay tuned to the end of the video because we are going to taste test these caramel pops in a beautiful mystery Alaskan location. Can't wait for that. I will catch you guys in 4 hours when these are all done. See ya. Our 4 hours is up and we are ready to take the candy out of the freeze dryer. Let's see how these turned out. Here's a sneak peek. They definitely look like they have puffed up. Those look so fun. Here is how they turned out. Some of them puffed up more than others, but they still look so fun. I don't know how light and airy the actual sucker part has become, but we will find out when we do our taste test. And here's the Sprees. These are so good. They're kind of similar to the Skittles, which are always delicious. But I mean, this is just so darling. My kids are gonna be so excited to try these. I've got our caramel pops ready to go on our taste test tonight. I am going to bag up the rest of the candy off camera, and I am going to meet you guys at our fun Alaskan adventure. We made it to our Alaskan, it's not really an adventure, it's a scenic location. We are at Arctic Valley, which is the closest skiing area to our town where we live, near Anchorage. And you got to keep driving up this mountain to get to the skiing area, but we have the most beautiful lookout right here. This direction is the military base. Straight ahead is downtown Anchorage. You can see the buildings. The airport is out that way, and you can see the ocean, and it's just so beautiful. There's some dandelion fuzz flying around. It looks like summertime snow. All right, Wesley's got the goods. Should we give it a taste?
No.
All right, let's pass them out.
Caramel apple pop.
Ooh, look at the inside. Even the inside puffed up.
Mm-hmm.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like extra sugary caramel.
Ooh. You like it, Lincoln?
Mm-hmm.
Lincoln's gonna let me have a little bite of his. I just want to taste. Ooh. That's some good stuff right there. They're very caramely tasting, but then you get that apple in the sucker, and it's a delicious treat. I think if you have not done these yet, you have definitely got to add them to your candy to-do list.
So the inside, it looks like a Joey Lantern with crunch in it. A freeze-dried Joey Lantern with crunch in it.
That's right, it does. Let's look at it close again. Okay, I'm gonna ask the redhead kids the trivia question and see if they know the answer. So, kids, what is the state sport of Alaska?
Ice skating or hockey?
Lincoln?
Ice skating.
Wes?
Football and soccer.
You're all wrong! The answer is dog mushing. Tell me if you knew that. If you are wanting to make your own freeze-dried candy and don't have a freeze dryer yet, I have an affiliate link with Harvest Right that will be listed in the video description below. You can click there and you can look for freeze dryers or any accessories there. And it's actually a really good time to buy a freeze dryer right now because they just came out with a brand new edition version of the freeze dryer called the Harvest Right Pro. And it sounds like it's gonna be even better than the ones that we already have that are still working great. So if you are on the fence about getting a freeze dryer but haven't quite felt ready yet, now is the time. They have a brand new one out and I think you will love it. Well, we are going to close out today's video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy this beautiful view. We will catch you guys on the next freeze drying adventure. Bye.